the next thing to do is to prepare the data for ODV. This is done. First of all, I have a template to do it, where the red columns are general data for ODV. I will discuss later. Those are data sampled using the CTD, and those are data that will be processed in the lab and later entered manually. So this data is from the ASCII file we just did data validation to. I just copy it and paste it, if I'll be allowed, paste it to the template. I just make sure that salinity is well positioned and temperature is well positioned, etc. Now I go on to enter the general data. To do that, what I do is, while sampling the data, my cast names are meaningful. Let's say this one is a RICO, because that's where it came from. It's the name of the research, and it was taken on 2015, February 16th at 10 AM in station 2. So I can fill in all that data. So it's a RICO in station 2, it's a cast, and it was taken on 2015. For the ODV to distinguish dates, it's very important that you use the format supplied by ODV, and the column name is as demanded by ODV. So it's 2015, February 16th. It was taken on 10 AM, and I have the lat long data here. That's for station 2. And I know the bottom depth there is 48 meters. And those data are correct throughout the cast, all the way down to 34 meters. It's very slow when you do those screencasts. Okay, so now the data is ready to be read by ODV. I save the Excel file. Okay, and I also save it as text file, let's say tab delimited. And next I can import it to ODV. Just one more comment. The next thing I'll do is to concatenate here, following to this cast, the next cast. Everywhere ODV sees different location, different bottom depth, different type of sampling, different station, whatever, it translates it to a new sampling point. That's the way it does the positioning and plotting the data, and it's important to know it, so you can have one file with many casts, one following the other, and data doesn't have to be filled in all of the cells. Let's say I don't have any lab data now. Let's put just one value to demonstrate later. Okay, save it again, just on the text file, and stop this screencast and go on to ODV.